Hello and welcome to Runman Records Design. Today we show you beautiful backyard, patio and grill area. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching! If you're looking to transform your outdoor space into a functional and beautiful retreat, a well-designed patio is the perfect solution. Whether you envision a cozy nook for relaxation, a vibrant social gathering spot, or an extension of your living area, this video will provide you with a wealth of inspiration and practical tips. From choosing the right patio material to incorporating stylish furniture and decor, enhancing privacy and shade, and creating ambience with lighting and fire features. Well good you throughout every step of the process. Get ready to turn your backyard into the ultimate oasis with his backyard patio design ideas. Factors to consider before designing a backyard patio. Before jumping into the exciting world of patio design, there are a few key factors to consider. First, think about how you want to use your patio. Do you envision cozy evenings by a fire pit or lively barbecue parties with friends? Understanding your needs and desired functionalities will help you plan accordingly. Next, take into account the size and shape of your backyard. A spacious square area allows for more design possibilities, while a narrow space may require some creative thinking. Additionally, think about the amount of sunlight and shade your patio will receive throughout the day. This will help determine the placement of seating areas and any necessary shade structures. Exploring different patio material options. When it comes to selecting the material for your patio, the options are endless. From traditional concrete to trendy pavers, each material has its own unique characteristics and aesthetic appeal. Consider materials such as natural stone, brick, stamped concrete, or even composite decking for a modern look. Comparing the pros and cons of each material. While each material has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, it's essential to choose one that suits your lifestyle and budget. Concrete is durable and low maintenance, but it may lack the visual appeal of natural stone. On the other hand, wood decking provides a warm and inviting atmosphere, but requires regular upkeep to maintain its beauty. Take into account factors such as cost, longevity, maintenance requirements, and sleep resistance when making your decision. Remember, your patio material will play a significant role in the overall look and functionality of your outdoor space. Creating a functional and comfortable outdoor living space. Incorporating seating and dining areas. No patio is complete without a comfortable seating and dining area. Whether you prefer lounge chairs for sunbathing or a cozy sofa for evening chats, Choose furniture that suits your style and provides maximum comfort. Don't forget to add a dining table for al fresco meals with family and friends. Let me know if you liked this backyard patio video or not. You watched my channel Runman Records Design.